Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView. Welcome to Trading Talk episode 56. In this episode we make some tweaks to a model that we built in episode 43 and 44. This is a great model that a lot of you guys have built, started running on a demo, and I know some of you have traded live and made some money. So if you haven't seen episode 43 and 44, watch that and then you can add this tweak. Also, the International Trading Championship is well underway and we've got a great competition at the top with some people having had results of up to 600% return, but they've been quite up and down, and some other people making steady progress as well. We've had people deposit all sorts of amounts from the minimum $200 to $200 to up to $50,000, and people using different types of trading techniques and tactics. It's fantastic to see. Also, we've had a massive response to our Algo trading conference in December. A lot of people are really keen to see Dr. Tom Stark's model, which is a machine learning model, and also three-time trading champion Kevin Davey, who's won the World Trading Championship once, come second twice with results of over 100%. And also our own head of trading, Ali Ghali, who has come through the trader development programs here and now manages the trading desk. So if you haven't booked your ticket, give us a call and book your ticket now for the Algo Trading Conference 2018 in December. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next week, all the best with your trading.